Hello Burleson, this is Mayor Ken Shetter. I want to talk to you briefly about the city's efforts to help limit the coronavirus outbreak. One of the best ways we can slow this outbreak down is through social distancing, which includes not having large crowds gather or events where people are in close proximity to one another. In Burleson, we want to make sure we are doing our part to keep everyone safe. So I have just issued a state of disaster declaration for the city of Burleson due to the public health emergency over the coronavirus pandemic. Issuing this declaration is not meant to cause fear and panic. Rather, it is meant to ensure we are doing everything within our power to do our part to minimize the impacts of the coronavirus. More specifically, the declaration does two important things. One, it allows our city to authorize resources more quickly so that we can more effectively respond to this constantly fluctuating situation. And two, it allows us to limit large gatherings, which health experts tell us is one of the most important factors regarding the spread of the virus. The most significant action from the declaration is the prohibiting of events where more than 250 people are expected to gather, and the strong recommendation that events of any size where people are in close contact and social distancing would be difficult or impossible should be postponed or canceled. The prohibition of gatherings of 250 or more people will take effect at 12:01 a.m. on Monday, March 16, 2020. An important note, this prohibition does not affect grocery stores, so there is no need to rush to the grocery store and no need to hoard food or supplies. In the past few days, one of the more significant drains on public safety resources has been the need to help with crowd control. Unlike hurricanes or other events that disrupt the supply chain, our supply chain is in great shape, so please don't rush to the grocery store and exercise common sense about meeting your daily needs. My decision to issue the declaration was based on advice from our emergency management team, healthcare experts, and vital input from my colleagues on the City Council. This action also follows the lead of the City of Fort Worth and Tarrant County. I also want to let you know we are canceling or postponing many city events, programs, and classes through April the 5th. You can find the full list at burlesontx.com/coronavirus. With so many events being canceled, I encourage you and your family to get outdoors. It is a great time to explore our parks, including our outstanding trail system. Provided that you practice good social distancing, this is a safe, healthy way to pass the time. The goal of our actions is to mitigate the spread of the coronavirus as much as possible. The city is aware that this situation could change at any time. We will continue to monitor and evaluate whether additional changes need to be made. I cannot stress this enough. Please remember to stay at home if you feel sick, especially if you're running a fever or if you have been around someone running a fever. Wash your hands with soap and water for at least 20 seconds and practice social distancing of at least 6 feet. Finally, I know we are all under a lot of stress. For those who are already experiencing traumatic or difficult circumstances, and for those who are medically or economically vulnerable, this is an especially anxious time. Remember something we've emphasized for a long time in Burleson: kindness matters. Let's be patient with one another. Show grace even when your patience is tested. And know that a kind word from you may be more important than you could possibly imagine. As we always do in Burleson, we'll get through this together and take care of one another. Thank you.